Hello, I wanted to talk about an issue that I'm having with the Radzen DropdownGrid component. So I'm showing my web application, and I've got some instances of the grid Radzen DropdownGrid on the left-hand side for selecting filters. Um, and it's notice that above the horizontal line, the components work fine. For example, um, clearing works, and I can even select multiple um, items. And when I click off of the component, the chips are intact. But below the the horizontal line, the component is behaving differently, and I'll talk about why. But here you see that when I select uh, uh, if a value, it disappears the moment I click off of the component, even though the code for the component is identical. The difference between the components on top of the horizontal line is that they are statically declared, whereas the components in the bottom are dynamically built. So to give you a more code view here, these are statically declared right here, but below the horizontal line, these components are dynamically built. So the code is 100% identical. I'm using it almost the same, and basically this entity filter is wrapping a Radzen grid drop-down grid component, and I've spent several hours trying to troubleshoot this. Now, the another problem is I'm unable to reproduce this as well. So that's becoming a big problem for me where I can't reproduce it on a plain new application. So something's very weird about my setup where components that are used dynamically are behaving a little odd in that it won't save the state of the component. And I and I've tried even removing the event handler. So, for example, if I was to remove this event handler, it still does not affect the result. The problem still persists. So it's not really related to any event handlers. So I'm hoping that you guys may have some clue for me or have a some suggestion for me to try. Thank you so much.